Honda Cars India Ltd. (HCIL) today announced that it will voluntarily replace Takata driver front airbag inflators of 3,669 vehicles of the years 2003 to 2006 manufactured Honda Accord as part of Honda's precautionary global recall campaign concerning Takata front airbag inflators. The replacement will be carried out free of cost at HCIL dealerships across India from the 18th of April 2019, and the company will communicate with customers directly. The customers can check whether their cars are covered under this campaign by submitting their 17-character alphanumeric vehicle identification number (VIN) on the special microsite which has been created on the company's official website as part of the Takata airbag inflator recalls which have impacted several car makers globally. Honda Cars India continues to urge owners of Honda vehicles affected by the recall to get their vehicles repaired at authorized dealers as soon as possible. Vehicle owners can check their vehicle's recall status at the official website or by calling their authorized dealer. HCIL reiterates the importance of replacing the affected Takata front airbag inflators urgently as they may deploy with excessive internal pressure when activated. The airbag inflator casing might rupture, which may result in injury or safety risk to the vehicle occupants. Let's block ads. Why?